Hey everybody, it's Lynn from A Bit of Birdsong. I wanted to update you on something I did with my stamp storage, ink stamps. I know when I showed you the tour of my dining room, which is my art studio, I mentioned that I would be coming back to show you what I had planned to do with my stamps. I figured something out and I totally love it. Let me put the camera so that I can show you and I will explain what I've done. I think from here you can see my stamps. You might be able to see my leggings too, which are covered in threads. I finished up my October daily journal tonight, which I cannot wait to show you. This is something that I had been thinking about for a while and I wasn't sure it would work. But we occasionally get in the storage containers that used to be used for floppy disks and, the cases that they go in. I had just felt like for a while that they would be good for ink stamps, but I wasn't sure. Anyway, these stayed on the shelf for a while and they finally got marked down, and I thought I might as well take a chance and just see. So I bought several of them. I absolutely love this. I took a cardboard box and I measured the size that I would need to make a shelf. Let me pull this out. So this is nothing more than a cardboard box that's been covered in denim. And just, here's the bottom of the box, and 3 sides remain so that I could slide it into this bigger wooden crate. At some point what I would like to do is get some scrap wood and create a shelf this same size so that I don't have sagging. Of course it makes sense that cardboard with weight on it would dip in. So I just took a denim strap and stitched it here and slid it up under this heavy shelf, and it doesn't go anywhere. It holds this really nicely. This is another container that again had the floppy disks in it. I took the lid off, so the bottom holds all of my botanical stamps, most of them, and the top holds things that I use the most. So it just slides right in here, and when I want to use these things, all I have to do is pull it out. It's got my letters, it's got all of my ink stamps. This is mostly words over here, and my acrylic blocks fit right in. For this one had a few of these little containers in it. The floppy disks, they come in this when you buy them, or this is how you stored them. I remember when they used to be used. At any rate, these hold little flat stamps perfectly. So I cut down the sheets that they came on and just put them, that one stuck to the container. So they're not sticking directly to each other, but I just love this. I'm going to have to keep my eyes open for more of these. And then in the front, there's my new Jane Davenport stamps, which I really love. I don't need to show you the drawer to my right because it's basically the same, but it is much cleaner. I will pull something out and show you what I did. I have a lot of these little boxes that I have used to just lay the stamps in where I can see them. They're much easier to get to. It is so much cleaner. Anyway, this is the updated storage, and when I build the shelf here, I will definitely come back and show you how it is with a piece of wood, and I will probably do something different with that, maybe as part of a dollhouse or something. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with a couple of new journals. Bye for now.